Here is the hub inside. You can see the magnets are slightly scratched on surface, but they are still in the good position. I clean it ready. So here you can see the winding condition. The top was okay, but some places was compressed, like that areas. So that is the top side, and here the problem is that surface of the winding is grinded. The winding is grinded. So in that situation, because here is no facility of rewinding like this kind of motors, but we have to test this winding. If this is short or if the resistance is not equal, we will not use. If there is no short and the resistance of the winding is equal, we will use it. I will check the all phases resistance, so we see if there is a difference. Blue and green 0.32, blue and yellow 0.30, it's good. Now again green and blue, green and yellow, correct. Now yellow and blue, yellow and green, so that resistance is good. The surface which is grinded by misalignment, you can see its visible mark on the housing, but this winding is still in good condition. And to cover this surface, I will use the epoxy because it is strong and it have a very high temperature resistance. So I will use this one, so the vibration will never affect on this one. So that is the simple solution for this hub. As long as we can run this one, we will use it. When time comes, we will replace the hub. The epoxy insulation is complete on the grinded surface of the winding, and now I will let it dry, and after that we will install this hub.